Hello, please support him. Subscribe to my technical boy Deli and hit on bell icon for the latest update. Hi there, thanks for coming. In this video I'm Sabneet. In this video I will show you how to refix registry edit not opening or disabled by administrator error. When you open recently you will get this error link disabled by the administrator and you already will not working properly. So how to fix this problem? I will show you two way to. Now first go to start. And here just type edit group policy like this. Open this group policy. Now OK, here externally administrator templates. And I will just click and now click on system. Now here you will find the option prevent access to register editing tools. Double click on it. OK, so this should be not configure, so check no not configure. And after OK click on apply. OK, so after this restart your PC and try to open. And you read if you still to fixed. Still not fixed. The second option is go to this PC. Click this, then going to C drive and then Windows in here. Find system 32-bit folder. OK, now here you need to file a history, so. Now to IPS file like this. OK, very late. OK, here I usually edit that. I do just right click on here and copy it and paste anywhere on this desktop and just rename it. Like you can address one character like this and now try to open. That's it, already say that is open, so hopefully one of them will work with, and let me know in comments I wish option. Or with method work to fix your registry. So time or watching, see you next video. There is a going on my channel. Thanks for watching, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.